Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your cache for each app. So in case you've been having issues with your phone hanging, lagging, maybe on a particular app, there are glitches, network and everything, just do this and your phone will be fine. Okay, so and you can do this for all app at once or for each app. This is Poppo Live. So click on the home key, then you would hold down the app, just any area on the app, you hold it down. Then this dashboard will come up where you see app info. Okay, so I'll just click on storage. So from storage I will see total, app size, user data, cache. So you can see there are there's a particular size on cache. Once I click on clear data down here, I'll see clear all data, clear cache. Please never clear all data. So I'll just click on clear cache and that's it. You can see it remains 0 there. So please, if you click on data, this is what is going to bring out to delete all data. All app data, including files, settings, accounts, database, and cache, will be permanently deleted. So that is what will happen. So it will make that app like a new app, and you don't want to do that. You only want to clear your cache, right? So please don't clear data. It's just like you want to make that app a new one. Maybe you just want to register a new account. That's when you can now do that. Clear data, clear everything. If you want to do that, let's say you have that app, you want to register newly, you can do that. Okay, so and that's it. That is how you can see I can switch between that back to the app. Okay, so now no glitching, nothing, and the app is back. So using this method helps a whole lot. Okay, so the reason why I prefer clearing cache for each app is that once you do for each app, you tend to get more RAM space and more what's it called, roam space on your phone. You get more space on your phone. So let's say your phone is full, but with this method you clear every unnecessary files with this method instead of using the all-in-one method in settings. Okay, so thanks for watching, and make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video, share, and subscribe to the channel. All right, see you in my next video. Bye bye.